All right, we're moving on and shifting our focus to what happened in West Bengal, the murder of a Bangladeshi MP. The West Bengal police has pieced together the fate of Bangladesh MP Anwarul Azim, who had gone missing in Kolkata. They've confirmed that he has indeed been killed in a murder most foul. The description is disturbing, so viewer discretion is advised. His body was allegedly skinned, then chopped up, minced for disposal. A butcher was especially brought in from Mumbai and is in the custody of the police, who has identified an alleged mastermind, a US citizen of Bangladesh origin. These are the details coming to fore about the manner in which the murder was carried out. Bangladesh MP who was possibly honey trapped. That's what we're given to understand. Honey trap angle is also under the lens. Meanwhile, Shilasti Rehman has been arrested in Dhaka. Now, as far as Shilasti Rehman is concerned, the suspicion is that she honey-trapped Anwarul Azim. She was arrested in Dhaka by the Metropolitan Police, and she's one of the 3 accused persons arrested in Dhaka. Pooja is getting us more details. Pooja, disturbing details, in fact, coming to fore about the manner in which the murder took place.
Well, absolutely. Mystery shrouds the death of Bangladesh MP Anwarul Azim. Remember that the Bangladesh police, especially the Dhaka Metropolitan Police, had confirmed that he has been killed after they arrested the 3 suspects in the case, and they had confessed to have killed the MP Anwarul Azim in Kolkata. But the case, which was now handed over to CID, they were constantly looking for the body of the MP past 3 days. But now fresh arrest was made late last night, and the butcher who was hired from Mumbai has been arrested now. He has been nabbed. Remember, he is also a Bangladeshi national who was illegally living in Mumbai. His name is Jihad. He has been identified as a butcher, and he was specially hired to kill Anwarul Azim. Remember that this conspiracy was hatched at the behest of his friend Akhtaruzzaman Shaheen, and he's a US national of Bangladesh origin, and he is also said to be a friend of the said MP. But new details and extremely shocking details are surfacing that after he was killed, his body was skinned, so to ensure that no one identifies him, his body was chopped into pieces, and more gruesome details have surfaced, which, you know, we may not even be able to share. But at this point in time, his body parts, which have been disposed of, are yet to be recovered. But new detail which has surfaced now is that there was a lady who was used to honey trap the MP. She has been identified as Shilasti Rehman. She is a Bangladeshi national, and she is one of the 3 suspects who have been arrested by Dhaka Metropolitan Police and has been under the custody of the police past 3 days. So Akhtaruzzaman ensured that Shilasti Rehman came to Kolkata and was constantly in touch with the said MP Anwarul Azim and was persuading him to come to Kolkata, and then this whole conspiracy was hatched to kill him at a residential complex in Newtown. So Shilasti Rehman has now been arrested by Dhaka police, and more details will be shared by Dhaka police, who are also checking what kind of background and the profile that Shilasti Rehman has, whether she has any track record of being involved in any criminal activities. But at this point in time, what we know is that she was part of the conspiracy. She is the girlfriend of Akhtaruzzaman Shaheen, who is the brain behind this murder of MP Anwarul Azim, and she is currently in custody, and police is investigating the case.
Right, Pooja, can you also help us with details of individuals who've been arrested by the West Bengal police and their role?
Well, absolutely. I'll clearly state that so far 4 arrests have been made in connection with the mysterious death of MP Anwarul Azim. 3 arrests have been made in Dhaka by Dhaka Metropolitan Police. There are 2 killers among these, and then there is Shilasti Rehman, the woman who was used to honey trap Anwarul Azim. On the other hand, while the West Bengal Police has now handed over the case to West Bengal CID, they have made 1 arrest late last night. The butcher, who has been identified as Jihad, has been arrested, and he was living in Mumbai illegally. He is a Bangladeshi national, and he had entered the country.
Stay on with us, Pooja. We have Saira Shah Halim joining us on the broadcast. Saira Shah Halim, very disturbing details coming to fore in the manner in which the Bangladesh MP was murdered. The police have not recovered his body parts, but what happened is being revealed now. Part of the murder was taking commands from an individual who was a US citizen of Bangladeshi origin, who was the mastermind in this entire conspiracy.
Yeah, this is just a glaring example how the West Bengal state and the establishment has been unable to protect VVIP visitors. I mean, there has been a lack of communication. If there is a sitting MP from Bangladesh, there's no protocol that was followed. How can you say we were not aware? There's a VIP who's, like a sitting MP. And we don't know the details of the matter, but still the fact is that a sitting MP of another country has been brutally murdered in our city, in Kolkata. And this is something that is very, very serious. And, the establishment, the law enforcement agencies, the government need to be held accountable that how did this transpire? Because this again is a telling sign on the safety and security of citizens and also, people from other countries, especially foreign dignitaries who come in. I'm not getting into, whether it was a personal enmity or whatever transpired. The thing we need to address is that this is not like some rural area. This happens in the heart of Kolkata. This is in, urban Kolkata. That's where such a
I think we'd need also, Saira Shah Halim, we'd need more information on the protocol which is followed when a foreign dignitary visits and is staying in a particular region in India. Whether or not the local authorities are informed about the business, whether or not they know about the kind of individuals that this foreign, individual is going to meet or not.
And because such a high designated MP, we don't know whether the protocol was followed or not followed, whether the people, the local government here knew that he is coming in. All that needs to be verified and investigated because this is a very, very serious, grisly affair. And the culprits, whoever they are, need to be booked. This is because I read his body has been minced. There was somebody from Bombay who was involved. So we need to get to the heart of the matter, what exactly transpired there. There's a very, very appalling state of affairs. It's very unfortunate and very, very appalling.
Thank you very much, Saira Shah Halim, for joining us on the broadcast with your views. Let me go across to Pooja, but before that, I'm being told that there are more details coming to fore. And these are the inside details of how Anwarul Azim was honey-trapped and how he was murdered. Now, remember, Shilasti Rahman has been arrested by Dhaka Metropolitan Police and she's suspected to honey-trap this Bangladeshi MP. According to the information that we are getting, Shilasti Rahman, who has been arrested by Dhaka Metropolitan Police, is a Bangladeshi national and the girlfriend of Akhtaruzaman Shaheen. Akhtaruzaman Shaheen is a US national and he is the main accused in this case. The suspicion is on him to have orchestrated this entire murder, that he's the mastermind. He's suspected to be the mastermind behind the murder of Bangladesh MP Anwarul Azim. Pooja is getting us more details on that. Yes, Pooja.
Well, absolutely. Akhtaruzaman Shaheen is also the friend of the said MP Anwarul Azim, and he has been in touch with him since many years. Sources in Dhaka police also say that they are childhood friends. However, they fell apart in the past couple of years when both were engaged into gold smuggling. However, this part is yet to be confirmed by Dhaka police, but sources tell us that both were engaged in gold smuggling and then they fell apart. And now, at this point in time, he is a Bangladeshi, he's of Bangladeshi origin, but a US national, Akhtaruzaman Shaheen, and his girlfriend is Shilasti Rahman. So there was some sort of issues that were going on between the two friends in the past couple of years when they fell out, and then it was Akhtaruzaman Shaheen, he wanted to take revenge, and he kind of conspired and tried to hatch this conspiracy against Anwarul Azim. And on May 10th, he flew down Shilasti Rahman from Dhaka to Kolkata. And since she arrived in Kolkata, Shilasti Rahman was in touch with Anwarul Azim and was constantly persuading him to come to Kolkata. On the other hand, Anwarul Azim had also shared with his family members that he's coming to Kolkata for medical treatment. He had not shared with his family members that he was in touch with Shilasti Rahman. So this is where the cops feel that he was being honey-trapped, and as soon as he arrived in Kolkata, he was taken to this rented apartment in Kolkata's New Town area, and this rented apartment was also rented by Akhtaruzzaman Shaheen. And all these 4 people, the MP, 3 other people which comprise the 2 killers and the lady Shilasti Rahman, was seen entering the apartment on May 13th. But on May 14th, the woman was seen leaving with a bag and the 2 killers were seen leaving with 2 other bags. But there is no footage that indicates that the MP left, and this is where the police understood that he could have been killed in the apartment, and thereafter his body was
These are shocking details emerging now. Pooja, thank you for getting us all the inputs. We'll keep going back to you for the latest. For the moment, a quick break.